Hopefully you always clean out your lint screen every time you run your dryer, and that will help prevent lint from building up and causing a problem. Sometimes lint can cause house fires. But what you may not do regularly is clean behind your dryer and the vents that carry the lint to the outside. So you want to be sure and do that, and that's what we're going to do now. So it may not be convenient, but it's important, so you have to do what you have to do. So you can see that even though we clean this out every year, there's still quite a collection of lint that has gathered on the back of the machine, on the floor, underneath the machine, and even around the vent seam in the back. So we'll start cleaning it up. And what is this? A fabric softener sheet that somehow got in there? Definitely need to get rid of that. Okay, and now we'll sweep up the floor. There's a lot of junk back here. Who would have guessed unless we pulled it out? You have to go through the trouble of doing it to find out how bad it is. So this is 1 year's worth of lint gathered from underneath and behind and around the machine. Imagine if it wasn't just 1 year's worth, but it had accumulated because it hadn't been cleaned for 4 or 5 years back there. You can imagine the kind of flammability that has. So it's important to go back there and do it. And we're cleaning the back of the machine here. A lot of lint just here alone. We're going to clean out the pipe with an old sock. Now we need to clean the metal ductwork. Look how much was inside the pipe alone. There is really a lot in here. Look at that. So you can see how much has come out already, and we're going to keep cleaning each pipe until we're done. So you want to use smooth ductwork, not that coiled stuff. It's important that it's metal, not plastic. I'm using a golf club to reach all the way back in there where I couldn't get before. And yep, sure enough, there was a little bit left at the end. While you got it out, might as well get all these surfaces. There's no easier time than now. We've cleaned the floor and the back wall and the back of the machine, so we're ready to push it in. All right, so this is our vent to the outside, so we're cleaning it too. Sure enough, there's more lint in there that needs to come out. And we've got one more pipe to clean out. We'll add this to our collection. So just in case you're wondering how flammable is this, I'll show you. This is the reason why you clean the lint from behind your dryer every year. Doesn't take long for a fire to spread. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.